Hey, let me show you the first things to do on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. So as you can see, first of all, we should actually change the brightness level. So scroll down with this one and move the slider to get better brightness level. And you can also click on the three dots, and I can also recommend you to turn off this adaptive brightness. For me, it doesn't work good. Next, when we are here, also I can recommend you to click and hold on the empty space in the home screen. Go into the settings and now tap on this icon to get rid of this Google screen. As you can see now, when we scroll, it actually doesn't appear. From this, I also recommend you to remove this weather widget if you don't need it, and the Google one. You can actually input here any other widget that you really need. Now from this, I also recommend you to click on the right upper corner and sort with the alphabetical order. So it will be actually a little bit easier to find your apps. Then go to the settings. Now move into this sounds and vibration. And now, if you want to get vibrations while ringing, just click right here. And also, if you want to turn off some vibrations, go into the system. And in my opinion, it's actually recommended to get rid of all of this dialing keypad and touch interaction. Then go back from this one and move into the display. Right now, you can actually check if the 90 Hz is activated. From this, you can also change the font size and the style. If the screen is actually not big enough, you can actually increase the size of the font. For me, right now, everything looks much better. And also, we can change the screen zoom. So we can also make the whole interface bigger. Now we can just go back from this one, and from this, change this screen timeout. I always use 2 minutes, and then just go back. Now you can also change this navigation method. So as default, we've got actually the 3 buttons, but you can use, for example, gestures. And now, if you don't want to access this Google Assistant from the bottom of the screen, it's just right here, so click on this one and turn it off. Now we can go back, and if you input the screen protector on your phone, just be sure that you enable the touch sensitivity. From this, we have to actually go back into the settings, and I can recommend you to move into the advanced features, and we have to take a look for the side button. Let's click and hold the power button. Okay, we can actually bring the power off menu, and I just thought that we've got here this Google Assistant setup, so never mind. We can go back from this one, and now we can also go into the connections. We can open the SIM manager, and if you are using 2 SIM cards, from this you can actually set the preferred SIM card for the calls, messages, and the mobile data. When you go into the more SIM settings, you can, for example, activate the dual SIM always on. So that's also pretty useful. And when you open the Wi-Fi settings, we can actually click right here, go into the advanced settings, and now you can actually, you have to actually check if the hotspot 2.0 is actually activated. It will actually improve the speed of the Wi-Fi networks. And this is it for this video. My tips, the first things to do on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. Additionally, you can actually change the wallpaper, so click and hold on the screen, select wallpaper and the style. Now click to change the wallpapers. You can move, for example, into your gallery and pick something from your favorite photos. Then click done. And now we can set it on the home screen or the lock screen. And now we can just go back and click done. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.